all can see, this is our group project which showing the urban community and rural community. In this group project, we are total 20 members. For this group project, we use these boards, charts, watercolor, pencil colors, stone. Now, I am requesting Ms. Anjal Sharma to introduce about our topic.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon to all. I am Anjal Sharma. So, as you all know, this is our group project which is showing the rural and the urban community. So, first of all, we have to know about what is the community. Community is defined as the social group which is characterized by the geographical boundaries, common interests and values. Its members know and interact with each other, and it functions within a particular social structure and exhibit and create some common values and interests in social institutions. And an individual belongs to a broader society through its family and its community. In our group project, there are two types of the community, that is urban community and the rural community. So, definition of urban community. Urban community defined as the small geographical area which is inhabited by the large and closely settled population and having many common interests and institutions which are authorized by the government of state. Definition of rural community. Rural community comprises the constellation of the institution and people are grouped about a small center and sharing some common primary interest. This is about the definition. Next will be continued by the other speaker.
Now, let's start the presentation and exhibition. The difference between urban and rural community. The first difference is on the basis of size of community.
Good afternoon to all. I am Savita and I am explaining about the rural community.
Good afternoon to all. I am Shagnu Sharma and I am explaining you about the urban community.
Rural means belonging to the country. The word village comes from the Latin word villaticus, which means the farmhouse. Village with a sense of we feeling and cooperation.
On the other hand, urban community, also known as cities, came into existence after the development of the villages. There are cities in the ancient time also, but they have importance due to commerce, trade, politics and religion. But nowadays, modern cities have importance due to industrialization.
The first difference is on the basis of size of community.
The rural community is small in size, but the number of population varies from 1,000 to 100. Most of the families live in the joint families.
Whereas in the urban community, the size of community area, but the family type is mostly nuclear and small family.
The next difference is on the basis of density of population.
The density of population in the rural community is low. As you can see, people live far away from each other.
On the other hand, in the urban community, there is overcrowding and the population is in millions and in lakhs. As you can see, the buildings are very close to each other and there is less difference between the two buildings.
On the basis of environment.
The environment of the rural community is natural. As you can see, there is trees, open air, animal, river, birds, etc.
Whereas in the urban community, the environment is not that much clean. As you can see, the vehicles are running over the road which are spreading the noise pollution, air pollution. There are industries present here which are spreading all type of pollution.
What about the water supply?
The water supply in the rural areas through the natural sources. As you can see, here is a well, river for the water sources.
On the other hand, in urban community, the water supply is not natural. As you can see, there is water tank, there is artificial storage of water which is supplying water to the whole urban community.
On the basis of occupation.
The occupation in the rural community is mainly the farming, agriculture, poultry farming, dairy,
urban community, the occupation is not agriculture. As you can see, people are going for their jobs. There are different professions. For example, teaching profession, medical profession, nursing profession, administrative profession, and people working in industries. People from rural areas come here for the occupation purpose.
The next difference is on the basis of transportation.
The transportation facilities is not much developed in the rural community. As you can see, here people use horse cart for the transportation purpose.
On the other hand, in urban community, the transportation is much more advanced. As visible in our model, there is flyover in which vehicles are running over, and the transportation is much more developed. People travel through their own cars, buses, and trucks, etc.
Health facilities.
The health facilities is also not much developed into the rural areas. There are basic health services. As you can see, there is a Prathamik Swasthya Kendra in our rural community.
On the other hand, in urban community, large number of people are staying here, so the health facilities are much more advanced. There is a district hospital, medical college, and hospital with super specialization.
Education system.
In the rural community, there is mainly primary education. As you can see, there is a Rajkiya Madhyamik Pashala in our rural community.
On the other hand, in urban community, the peoples are much more literate and the education is much more advanced. There is high school, there is medical colleges and training institutions and many more.
The last one is on the basis of lifestyle.
The lifestyle of the rural community is simple, as maximum people are engaged in the agriculture and the local activities.
On the other hand, in urban community, the lifestyle is sedentary, as people are not that much engaged in the physical activity, so they are suffering from many diseases, etc.
That's about our group project. Now I am requesting to respected principal ma'am and other faculty member to have a view of our group project, and I am also requesting